Likewise, ladies and gentlemen, on the next go, would like to request the next designer to please come forward and join us with the collection. Anuradha, I would like to request you to please be ready, and the theme is Meteor Tempo. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anuradha from International Fashion Schools. I came from Dundigal. నా స్పెషలైజేషన్స్ వచ్చేసి ఇండో వెస్టర్న్, ఎథ్నిక్ వేర్, ఫ్యూజన్ వేర్, పార్టీ వేర్. నేను ఇప్పుడు స్పెషల్గా ఫోకస్ చేసేది పార్టీ వేర్ పైన. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
All right, on the countdown of 3, 2, and 1. Can I hear some claps from the audience? Thank you. Anuradha, first of all, it's an amazing collection, I must say that. So please come forward firstly. Can I hear some claps, ladies and gentlemen, for this beautiful lady here? So I would like to request you to please address all the audience here and please do talk about your theme and collection.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Anuradha from IFS. My collection is party wear. My theme is Metro Tempo. I inspired by from clothes. Thank you.